Good afternoon, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about N.R. Narayan Murthy advocates compassionate capitalism for India's prosperity. Tesla delivers all-electric Cybertruck after 4 years. Spotify wrapped a social media phenomena reflecting musical journeys. WhatsApp introduces secret code for extra chat protection and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. And Narayan Murthy, Infosys co-founder, emphasizes that individuals benefiting from government services should contribute back for societal improvement. Proposes compassionate capitalism with reciprocal responsibilities for services and subsidies provided by the government. Murthy suggests examples like providing free electricity in exchange for improved school attendance to foster a better society. Urges citizens to contribute towards building a better society and cautions against providing unconditional free services. Discusses appropriate taxation levels, acknowledging the necessity of higher taxation in a country like India with a large population of poor individuals. Recommends studying China's economic model for effective poverty alleviation and accelerating India's progress. Next we have Tesla begins deliveries of the highly anticipated all-electric Cybertruck 4 years after its global debut. Priced at USD 6990, the Cybertruck claims a 0 to 96 km/h acceleration time of 2.6 seconds in its most powerful mode. During the delivery event, Elon Musk showcases a video where the Cybertruck towing another Porsche 911 outpaces a Porsche 911 on a quarter-mile drag strip. The top version of the Cybertruck boasts a towing capacity of 4,990 kg and a 0 to 96 km/h acceleration time of 2.6 seconds. Spotify wrapped an annual tradition since 2016 provides users with a personalized recap of their musical journey throughout the year. Offers insights such as total listening time, top artists, and a curated playlist of most played songs. Evolves into a social media phenomena inviting users to share their musical preferences with friends and followers. Substantial engagement observed on social platforms with over 400 million tweets generated in the first 3 days. Success attributed to the unique blend of personalization, shareability, and alignment with the festive season. WhatsApp implements secret code to provide an extra layer of protection for chats, making them more challenging to discover. Users can set a unique password distinct from their phone unlock code, adding an additional layer of security. Option to conceal the locked chat folder from the chat list for enhanced confidentiality. Users can choose to make locked chat discoverable only by entering the secret code in the search bar or displaying them in the chat list. Locking a new chat is simplified with a long press action, eliminating the need to navigate through chat settings. Google announces Best of Play 2023 awards recognizing the best apps and games in India. Awards felicitate both the best app games and their developers across multiple platforms. Google Play's editorial team selects winners including Users' Choice winners for their favorite game and app. Acknowledges local developer for leveraging the potential of reaching over 2.5 billion monthly active users on Google Play. Next we have Saket Mitra, VP and Head of Trust and Safety for Asia Pacific at Google, explains challenges in controlling bad loan apps. Difficulty arises as bad business practices occur in the real world rather than introducing malware or harmful content. Google rejects app at the code level if suspicious and ensure compliance with Play Store rules. Emphasizes the need to figure out bad business practices when approving apps. At last, Redmi 13C confirmed to launch in India in 4G and 5G variant, succeeding the Redmi 12C. Redmi 13C 5G variant to feature MediaTek's Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset priced below Rs 15,000. Redmi 13C 4G model expected to be powered by MediaTek Helio G85 SoC, launching in Stardust Black and Starshine Green color. Global debut of the 5G variant in India offering 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. Redmi India reveals the 5G variant will carry a 50 megapixel primary rear camera. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।